All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're live. We came to the end of the week, of the weekend.
Ladies and gentlemen.
A real welcome.
The formalities this evening are relatively short, so we will get through them, and we've got some entertainment for you, and the dinner is almost ready. On behalf of the DSA executive and all of the members of Darts South Africa, we again would like to thank the Austrian Darts Federation for coming over to participate in the first international friendly between the two nations. And I think it'd be only fair to give everybody a round of applause for the As we mentioned earlier at the prize giving, I think the spirit was great between both camps, the discipline was great, and we look forward to many more of these occasions, and also the return leg in Austria. We're going to move quickly through the proceedings. Two speakers tonight, and we welcome up the first speaker, President of Darts South Africa, Mr. Graham Stark.
Good evening, everybody. Ladies and gentlemen, Austria, South Africa, this weekend has flown by and our series of international friendly matches has passed. All playing has come to an end, and after the wonderful darts that have been played here over this weekend, all that remains is for the formalities to be completed. I want to thank the following parties for their contributions to the success of this weekend of darts. My fellow officials of Darts South Africa, Dietmar and his colleagues of the Austrian Darts Federation, the players and the managers of the respective teams, and in his absence, because he had to leave early to return to Egypt, Dr. Abdullah of the African Darts Council and the Egyptian Darts Federation. And I want to extend a very, very special thank you to the Sarabi Lords for their wonderful hospitality over the last few days. They have been a really wonderful host for the few days that we have been here. So thank you very much to the owner, the management and the staff of the Sarabi Lodge. And we also want to thank the people at Kelvin Power Station for hosting us at their playing venue. We thank the spectators who created such a vibrant atmosphere at the games. And if I have left out anybody, please forgive me and also be thanked. I commend and I thank all the valuable members of Darts South Africa and the Austrian Darts Federation who came here and competed against each other in such a wonderful way. Thank you and congratulations for the excellent darts played here over these past few days. We extend our congratulations to all the winners and encourage those who have not won to try again. Remember, if you have played the game and enjoyed it, then you are a winner anyway. On behalf of the officials and all the members of Darts South Africa, I wish the Austrian Darts Federation a safe journey home back to your loved ones. Bon voyage to all of you. Thank you. Thank you. Baie dankie for gracing our shores with your presence. We are honored to have hosted you. I hope that you have made many new friends. We certainly have. You have become part of South African darts history, and we will never forget you and your visit to our country. We hope that we will be able to visit your country very, very soon at Dietmar. Thank you once again. Thank you once again, and God bless.
Thank you very much, Mr. Stock. Sorry, it's not notes that I'm looking at, it's the Manchester United score, just to make sure that we don't miss anything. Still 0-0 in the derby. The next part of the formalities, ladies and gentlemen, we would like to ask Mr. Dietmar Schumann of the Austrian Dog Federation to say a few words.
Thank you, John. I'm very happy to stay here tonight and to see so many wonderful faces, happy faces, and this was actually the intention when we had the first talks about the option of a friendly international match between our countries, not knowing yet where to play, when to play, but giving the players the possibility to compete on a sportive level outside the usual things on a special occasion, and we wanted to generate that for our players. This is what a federation is about, and this is one of the tasks of the federations. And I'm so happy that we had this wonderful weekend in your lovely country with these amazing hosts and amazing players we had the honor to meet. Thank you very much for that. For most of us, it's the first visit of Africa at all, and actually for all of us in South Africa. So you got 25 new South Africa lovers over this weekend. And we are so happy that we can take your warmth, your friendliness, your hospitality in our hearts back to Austria and prepare your visit. We are waiting for that.